Okay naman.
Yeah, depende lang.
Ayun, yes, of course. Kamusta naman po tayo for today, Hartley?
Hello, pagod. Ay, masaya kasi nandito kayo lahat. Alam niyo kayo kasiyahan namin. Thank you so much.
How if you are young and you are married? So, ayan. Ito, si Mary naman. So, kamusta ka naman, Mary?
Lang, medyo masakit yung Joke lang.
Bakit siya?
What's her name?
Mary.
Mary. And this one?
Yangchi.
Yangchi.
Ayan. So, ito, I want to talk about, your outfit for today. So, kasi parang na-notice ko kasi parang, it's something unique. So, did you guys made those?
Itong outfit namin, ginawa po namin, ginawa ko to, in-accessorize ni Mary. So, parang kami may party dito.
Wow! Ang galing
Galing naman, natutuwa yung creativity. Na-approve niya by,
Yes.
by their outfit for today. Tapos ang cute nila, para silang sisters, no?
Alam mo, yung costume nila is giving like the school girl nga. Dahil yung school girl. Tapos,
Yun daw lang yung start.
yes, tapos parang ako girl, right? Tapos,
Oh, may-
yung partner naman, alam mo yung maiden? Na mga maiden.
Ay, yung mga shirt at yung mga kasama.
Yes! Gabi yung
Actually. Proud ako na-inspired ako from Lucky Stars ko. Oo, niya sa akin yung height ko siguro.
Bet malung.
Okay. So, of course, as a duo, ayan.
Yeah, duo.
Kasi ngayon, inutang sa Christmas, we are seeing a lot of different performers, di ba? So, that's why in-interview ko sila na what's the best advice they can give depending sa kung what kind of performer sila. So, this time, we have a duo. So, as a duo, kasi syempre minsan, let's be honest, di ba minsan hindi nag-work ang duo, di ba? May mga misunderstandings na nangyayari, di ba? So, ngayon, nakikita ko yung nila, yung unity nila, parang silang magkapatid talaga and all. So, what's the best advice you can give para mas maging stronger kung duo yung isang performer?
As duo, advice namin sa mga duo, kasi create a bond with your duo, your partner. Kasi importante yung bond. Kung wala kayong bond, wala kayong connection. Importante sa duo or kahit anong group of friends, ang bond. Yun ang kakuha sa mga ito, bond.
Yes. Mighty
Sabihin na
Bond.
mighty bond. Siyempre, exactly. Ano about you, Mary? Meron mo like advice din? Okay na yun. Ayan, of course.
May mighty bond.
Sir! Ayan. Hindi yun pala kailangan mighty bond.
Para mas para mas maging madikit yung pagsasama. Dikit yung
Hindi ko sponsor ng mighty bond.
Yes. So, this is the beginning of appreciation.
Ayun.
Participation and contribution to the success of Otaku Musica Christmas 2025 given on December 20, 2025 at Kai Boy, Kai All, Gubarte, Palawan TV. So, thank you very much for the
Thank you so much, Hartlyn. Ayan. May nagpipicture.
Picture tayo, guys.
Picture.
Yun! Isa pa. Ano? Jump shot, jump shot.
Jump siya. Wait, seryoso sila. Seryoso sila dyan. Seryoso sila dyan. Seryoso
Next time,
yan.
next time, next
Oh,
time.
and also, I almost forgot. Saan nila kayo makakano, as Hartlyn? Your social media platform.
You can follow us on our, accept kami sa Facebook, so you can follow us on Facebook. Ang username namin is xrxo.yangchi, lima yung I, while kay Mary is xrxo.mary, dalawang I. Siyempre yung page namin, Hartlyn, this is spelled as H-E-A-R-L-X-T, L-X-T, tapos explain na last, Hartlyn, hindi Hartlyn, hindi Hartlyn.
Hartlyn.
Hartlyn. Yeah.
Oh.
Pronunciation of Hartlyn.
May gusto ko maganda sabihin na kung hindi mo malalaman yung pangalan nila, hindi ko sila makikilala. Yes! Pero,
Ayan. Now you know.
I sent a request para last week. So, may conference ako.
Yeah, actually. Check ko din yung baka mamaya may nag-yung. Oh no!
Sino ba naman ang mga reaction?
Oh no! But once again, thank you so much, Bartley. So, give a O, yung papa lang, hindi papalakpak.
Ayan, pumalakpak sila.
Ayan, so, drink some water muna, pahinga muna kayo.
Oo.
Ayan.